Miriam's earthen cookware pots retain nutrients while cooking, so let's talk about what that means when cooking grains, such as rice. When cooking rice, the complex and simple carbs and the trace minerals in the grains are preserved. One of the greatest benefits of retaining the complex carbs, usually lost when cooking in metals, is the pancreas can create better quality insulin to the thoroughly processed sugars in the blood. Therefore, cooking food and Miriam's earthen cookware is particularly beneficial with people in diabetes. In fact, it's one of the major lifestyle changes that helped Miriam herself get rid of diabetes, inspiring her to start crafting these healthy pots and pans for the world. When starting to cook your rice, you will want to wash the rice twice. You'll want to use 1 to 2 ratios of rice to grains. I'm using 2 cups of rice to 4 cups of water. You'll want to start on low heat and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll want to increase the heat to a medium-low. After 20-30 minutes, you'll want to turn off the heat and your rice will be done. Make sure you always use a wooden spoon. The greatest part of cooking with Miriam's earthen cookware is how easy it is to clean the pot after cooking something such as rice. Cleaning these pots becomes so much easier if the pot's turned off before the food is done cooking, so the extra heat is used up to cook the food to completion rather than letting the pot dry out, causing the food to stick to the pot. Let me show you. This is the reason that you need to use Miriam's earthen cookware. It cooks the greatest rice.